summer in Philippines. Oh. Yeah, happy Mother's Day to me. I'm happy that I get my 100k subscriber. But it's late on my birthday and it's a bad news because it's not yet monetized again. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day sa imo. Thank you, Ricardo. At sa lahat ng mga mami. Galing, we're on the swimming in the river. Only a few days later. Yeah. Not exactly on my looks like good internet to me. Yes, now because I'm here on my friend house, not in my house. No internet at home. Russell Roger. So Russell Roger, thank you also for your birthday gift to me. Yes. Yes. I already applied my silver button play as a remembrance of as a YouTuber. I have my silver button play. Thank you so much and I hope you will subscribe. To those who are new on my channel, please subscribe and like, share, comment. Ma'am Ricky. Oh, hello 59 viewers. Good evening. It's so very hot. Hingaw na te. Hindot ko sa kaya sakyan ng si Apple. Te. Nga naman te. Ha? Nga naman po. Namitas batanon pa siya. Sino? Magulang pa si kuan niya si dili si imong si sa to si Toy. Alamak ang imong kuan mag chicken kay kanon to kuan mak. Kanon to cat. Tinula na lang. Hello 74. Hi. Thank you. You need me for... Thank you, Joseph. How are you, Naomi? I'm not really fine because I don't have my salary in YouTube, but I'm still okay for now. Hello, Jucros. Susa, yeah, you know that that's only one for source of my source of income. No, the money I save is, you know, I spend. It's not fair. You did not. Yes. My boy, Makmak is outside. Tagasan ka po, taga Mindanao, Bisaya. Sa tingon mo te, pagkuan, igangon, magpadagandagan og motor. Ay, oh.